to go up and down it as fast as I possibly can. That is how I celebrate the ADA. But I also want to tell you guys what I do separate from being chairperson of the Cody Board, which, if you don't know what the Cody Board is, it's the Commission of Disability Issues Board, where we work tirelessly to ensure that people with disabilities are able to live well-rounded lives here in Miami-Dade County. We do that by having people from transportation and housing and all different sectors of the government come in and speak with us and work with them to ensure our accessibility in their facilities. But the number one thing that I made sure that I do as both the chairperson and separate as a disability advocate is I am a person who believes in disability etiquette training. Who here knows what disability etiquette training is? It's to teach you to look at me as an equal and to treat me as an equal. And that is what I bring to the table everywhere I go, whether it's as the chairperson or as a children's book author of my book series, The Adventures of Catgirl, or when I go into a university and I speak to them about how to treat us when we come in as patients or students, if I'm speaking to future educators or future doctors. And the way that I do this is I always open up with one simple question. How do you feel when you see me wheel into your classroom or wheel into your office? And it's always met with the same answer of, I feel sorry for you, I feel sad, or I feel worried. These are not the ideals of the